Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making beef, broccoli and vegetables. To start with, we are going to prep our meat. I'm just going to show you. So this is beef. So what you want to do is to look at how the grain run on the beef and you want to cut against the grain. This makes it easier and tender. So they are running in this direction. So I'm going to cut them perpendicular to it and you want to slice these slices. This way it makes it tender and it cooks quicker. You can see how thinly these are sliced. Wash this off. Here is our meat and we are going to clean it with lukewarm water or room temperature water. And then we're going to use baking soda to remove any chemical that may be in the meat or preservative. We're going to soak it for 5 minutes, after which we're going to remove it, drain it, and then use it up. In the meantime, let's go prep the rest of the ingredients. We're going to chop some green onion, some bell pepper. We finished cutting all our vegetables. We're going to set them aside. We drained our meat. And so now we're going to start seasoning it. So I have ginger, garlic powder, and onions right here. I'm going to add it. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey, some Worcester sauce, some low sodium soy sauce, and then we're going to add some oyster sauce and sesame oil. And this is not your refined sesame oil. The aroma is amazing. And some cornstarch. And then we're going to mix them all together. It smells really good. Adding a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. So be careful because you have all that soy sauce. We'll marinate this and we're going to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm telling you, this dinner will be ready within the hour. It's great. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Next, we get our water. We're going to add some Worcester sauce. We add some soy sauce and then cornstarch. And this will help us thicken the sauce. Mix it well. We'll set it aside. So now we are going to move over to the stove top and we are going to start cooking our vegetables. So come on up. We add some coconut oil and then we are going to toss our cauliflower and broccoli. We're going to toss it. We keep tossing it. And then we'll add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning that was homemade. Smells amazing, the coconut. So nice. Great smell. And we're just going to cook it for like 3 to 5 minutes. You can add a little bit of water. And then we're going to put it in the bowl. We'll set the bowl aside for now. And then we add more coconut oil. Now we add seeds. You want to cook this in batches, making sure you spread them all out. Make sure you get the wok nice and hot. The coconut oil gives it a different kind of flavor. Make sure you turn it, ensuring that it's well cooked. You want to cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Smells really, really amazing. And you remove this and then cook the rest are finished. We're done with our meat. Next, we add about a tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to then add our carrot because that's going to be the hardest one to cook. We add our onion, our garlic. We add the rest of our vegetables, the bell peppers, a little bit of ginger, our all-purpose seasoning, and then we add our broccoli and cauliflower. Next, we add all our meat. We'll mix it. Finally, add our thickener and we'll let it cook till it thickens. If you're finding value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Finally, we add the spring onion. We allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. We turn this off. I like it with a little bit more sauce. We are going to eat it with some brown rice. I'm going to plate it. And now we are going to do a taste test. Come on over. This is our dinner, and now we are going to do a taste test. It smells amazing, looks delicious, and now for the taste test. The aroma is incredible. All the vegetables are so nice and tender. Let's try the meat. Very, very scrumptious. You should try this. And the carrot, so good. This is how you can make restaurant quality food at home that is easy to make and does not take too long. I went to work today, came back, and made this. It is that simple. You can even prep everything ahead of time, so which means it takes even shorter time to do this. The advantages of cooking at home includes quality ingredients. You know what is in your food, no chemicals, no preservatives, and more cost effective. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Hey, if you would like to get the full recipe for this video, head over to our Stay store. Link in the description and bio. Want exclusive content and behind the scene perks? Join our YouTube membership for members only videos and special shout outs. Just click join below. Thank you. This is Dr. Okeke. Stay blessed and eat healthy.